Do tips have an expiry date? Well, why not? The many tips that used to work before have stopped working, and so is the case in 2024, especially in the month of November. There has been a lot of updates, and even now there are a lot of updates keep happening at the back end. So what are those tips that have stopped working? Let's figure out in this video. All you got to do is make sure you watch the video till the end. Hey everybody, Nakul from SKILLS PTE ACADEMIC. Really hope everybody is doing fantastic. I'm back with yet another power packed video on the tips that have reached the expiry date. Before we begin the video, if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, and anytime you need online assistance, it's a paid assistance. You can WhatsApp us to the number appearing at the bottom of the screen. I'll be there, we will be there to help you, guide in the right direction. Alright, without further delay, let's try to get into the video. Let me just share my screen. Tips that may not work in 2024. Mostly, yes, they don't work. The tip number 1, by the way, we are going to talk about 10 tips today. Tip number 1 is read aloud one line. Very, very risky to use. Software is getting updated, guys, I'm telling you. It's easy to find out these small things. There could be shockers towards your reading and speaking scores. Try at your own risk. I suggest don't use. At least give 70 to 80% of the data, if not full, meaning you skip some words, difficult words, no problem. So that way, let's say there are some 60 words, you can speak some 40-45 words. 10 words you skip, it's okay, difficult words, maintain the flow, maintain the rhythm, but don't try just one line and give very less data for the software and get yourself involved in a big risk. Hope you are getting it in 2024. I'm starting with this. Read aloud, avoid using one line. Let's say it's very difficult for you, you can leave some small phrases or some words, but try to read from the top till the end. That's my best suggestion. Alright. The second suggestion, second tip, repeat sentence using a generic phrase in the end. All this have not worked. I'm telling you, some who need 50, 65 probably to get the fluency, probably they use a generic phrase in the end. What I mean by this is, let's say there is a sentence. Please come to the next seminar properly prepared. And the person says, please come to seminar, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. He is maintaining the fluency. So he'll get marks in speaking, but listening gone case, and now probably speaking also I will not get. Don't try all these things, I'm telling you. Listen less, speak less, and just make sure you speak fluently, you get the marks. If there are 10 words, at least some 60% you give done and dusted. Don't use this generic phrase in the end. I'm telling you, you're going to be involved in a big risk of getting low scores towards your listening. Avoid using this. Even if you need 50, 65 or whatever 79, even if you have terrible problems, don't get into this. It's high time we realize. Make sure you speak fluently, some less content. Don't speak full, it's okay. Content is not a priority. Doesn't mean that you speak something nonsensical. Definitely software will catch you and give you low scores. Attempt it at your own risk. Okay. The third technique that has reached an expiry date. Exact 50% is enough for a better score. Well, I still say it's fine as long as you clearly speak the words. Let's say the same audio, please come to the next seminar properly prepared, else you will have to face consequences. Now you can say, please come to the seminar properly prepared, you will get marks. But what if you say, please come to the seminar properly prepared, then it's 0. That's what, so it's exact 50%. So 50% content is matching. If you are fluent, you will get full 3 out of 3 marks from one repeat sentence towards your speaking and listening both. But software on the other side has to understand and interpret rightly your 50%. You speak, let's say 12 words, you spoke 6 words correctly, of which software understood 3 words. Then how marks will come? So that's what, so all these things may have reached an expiry date. It's time we upgrade ourselves and give at least, to be on the safer side, 60-70%, 10 words, 7 words, 12 words, at least 8 words. Hope you are getting it. If it's only 5 words, don't speak 3 words, speak 5 words. This is for lengthier ones. At least 60% or 70%. Try to reach as much as possible. 7 words limit you keep. It will work for anything. Usually it will not exceed more than 10 words. 7 word limit for whatever it is, at least 7 words I speak, you will get the marks. I'll speak only 5 words. 10 word audio, 5 words you spoke, 3 words software did not understand. Gone case. So be very careful. All these things probably may get more stricter because they're doing a lot of research on the back end. They will be expecting you to speak in a way software understands, observes things and learns. So you give input wherein few of the words are not correct, probably you may end up getting low score. So target little on a higher side so that you would be in a safer position. Hope you are getting it. The fourth tip that may have reached an expiry date, definitely it has reached expiry date already. You consume this tablet, gone case, correct. Using a keyword in each blank, I will use one keyword comma, one keyword comma, 30 keywords I will use. No, it is not going to work. You need to write some sentences which software interprets and thinks that okay, this person has understood. The audio has a good listening skill. You give one word, it will interpret wrongly. It will definitely get to know. You are writing one word, you are not capable of writing a short note. This will definitely not work, I am telling you. It has reached its expiry date long time back, and even in 2024 it is not going to work. Try to write phrases, check my written lecture video or summarize spoken text video, the strategies remain the same. Listen for 5 seconds, write for 5 seconds, listen for 5 seconds, write for 5 seconds. This way you will cover the shorter phrase. One phrase is like 3 to 4 or 5 to 6 words. Like this 4 to 5 phrases, and just read like read aloud, just read. Your fluency goes up because you are reading the line. If it is keyword, one keyword, how it gives fluency. Second thing, your content score goes up, your listening marks goes up. I am telling you, this has reached an expiry. Avoid using it. If you are using it, definitely you will be in a bigger risk. Essay, already expiry date over for this. One word template. The template will cover everything. One blank will be given. I should just put one word. Oh, so easy. Marks also gone case. Telling you, don't use this. You need to write 4 to 5 sentences on your own at any cost. So, use the template, any template, my template, you can check SKILLS PTE templates in the YouTube or anyone's template, no problem. But at the end of the day, the template should give you the flexibility, the freedom to write 4 or 5. I suggest 5 sentences with 1 or 2 simple sentence, compound and complex mixture of these 3 sentences, and something related to the question, so that you get better marks. Essay contributes some. 2 essays 20 marks max, 1 essay 12 to 15 marks. 20 marks, let us say. If you want to get 20 out of 20, then avoid. You use one word template, scores will be depressing. It could be 5 out of 20. You will get low score. I am telling you, don't use this unless you just need 50 and you are ready to take that risk. Otherwise, I still suggest everybody in 2024 to write on your own and avoid using templates which have blank comma, blank comma, blank comma. That also can give you surprising scores. Write, man, it's okay. Let us put effort in the right way instead of seeking shortcuts for 1 year. Every day if you start reading books, automatically your grammar improves. You just end up writing nicely. These people don't. They want to seek shortcuts 1 year, 2 year over. Still they want to check if that template works. Put some effort, man. Come on. Correct? At least in 2024. Reading a 5 repeated questions scam, I am telling you the reality. Yes, some of the questions will repeat. I am not saying no. But out of, let us say, 1000 people, 2-3 people may get one question repeated, and that question will not decide your scores in any way. One question you do correctly, rest all you have so many mistakes. How it will change? The software works differently. It will gauge you. It is like a human sitting there and trying to understand. Let us say there is some difficult question and you solved it because you got it, the repeated question back. Easy question, you failed, and then software will backfire you. The things are different. I am telling you, it has been developed in a way it thinks psychologically like a human, correct? This you can go through, but don't think that if I go through I will get marks. No, you get marks only when your English improves, you get marks only when your grammar, reading skill and collocation knowledge improves. This is probably a bigger scam. So, don't have to pay money. All I am telling you is if it comes, it is fine. If it does not come, also you should be able to do it. Like I told you, out of 1000 people, 1 or 2 or 3 people may get one question for this. There is no point in going after this. Instead, you can prepare yourself, work towards a better score by putting that hard work and dedication. Give it a thought. Summarize spoken text writing just 51 words. Well, I think it has started giving low scores since probably October or November. Made many videos, it has reached its expiry date. Write at least 65 plus words is what I would suggest, or at least 61. Don't write 51 words, you are listening and writing both, at least 2-3 marks will go down. This we have seen. So, all these have reached expiry date. I am telling you, try to write as much as possible. And avoid using keywords. You need to write phrases even in summarized spoken text, just the way explained in written lecture. Summarized spoken text is using one keyword in each blank, like I just told you. I forgot that it is there on the 8th tip slide. Sorry for that, but yes, avoid using one keyword. I have got a template. There are 5 blanks, I will put 5 words. You will not get marks, I am telling you. Let us say summarized spoken text gives you 8 marks. You put one word, probably you will get 2 or 3 marks. You write phrase, you get 8 out of 8. And this is a simple module. Don't assume, let me get only 2 or 3 enough, other modules I will work, other modules will be even more difficult for you. So, here you get full marks, then probably you win. Here you get low marks, probably you would definitely lose. Write phrases, just the written lecture, same way, use a template and write phrases. 4 or 5 phrases is what I would suggest, just like the written lecture, and make sure no spelling mistakes. Avoid using one word or word, comma, 30 words. Don't write, you will definitely get low score towards your listening. Hope you are getting it. Tip number 9, yes, speaking very louder. You speak loud, you will get marks. People are shouting. Guys, don't do that. There is a lot of post processing happening on the other end, back end of a software. When you speak louder, very loud, market research is you are deviating away from, you are deviating from the natural way of speech. Yesterday, I reviewed one of the students' official mock. She got 77 speaking, rest all 90. The way she was reading and read aloud. Market research is a vital part of the planning of any business. Describe image. The given image represents a beautiful image. She is more calm, more natural in describe image. Read aloud, she is speaking in a different way. Marks gone. Though she was perfect in everything. That's what. So, the things are really different. One who has experience would know. One who has seen lot of stuff here would know basically. Just don't speak loud and check in the third party applications. No. Never speak loud. Normal tone. See, right now I am going at an average volume. A little on the higher side is fine. The given image represents a beautiful image. This is fine. Shouting probably will, get you the intonations. You're gonna get low scores. 100% is. This is not going to work. Instead, if your pitch is low, you need to thin the pitch. If you pitch, let's say a guy has a pitch of 120, you need to thin. When you shout, the pitch goes to 150, that will not give you scores. When you thin, market research, when you thin it, it goes to 150. That thinning is required. Shouting is not required. When you shout, you will definitely get low score towards your reading and speaking and listening, all three together. Don't follow this. This has reached its expiry date. It's like expired tablet. It is not going to work. It's not going to function. Speak full fast and get 90. Yeah, you may get 90 speaking. Reading, what about reading? It needs clarity. Market research is a vital part of the planning of any business. Some may get still 90. Out of 100, probably 5-6 people may still get 90 because of their sharp tone, because of the voice that is given by the God, which software loves sometimes, the voices. But that will definitely cost you reading scores very low, because read aloud contributes to marks to reading as well. For reading, you need to make software understand. The clarity you need to give, you need to speak naturally. Right now I am talking to you naturally. What if I start speaking like this, will you be able to understand and appreciate whatever I am speaking? No. Probably some may, others don't like it the same way. Software, don't speak full fast. Natural tone, don't speak slow, natural tone. Market research is a vital part of the planning of any business. The speed is enough, maintain the rhythm. The rhythm is required, not the speed. Market research is a vital part of the planning of any business. See, I am going slow, but I am maintaining that rhythm. Hope you are getting it. I think that's all. 10 tips I've got. Yes, I hope this video helped you understand which all tips have reached their expiry date. If you go to a medical shop, avoid taking these tablets in the name of tips because they have reached their expiry. Hope you are getting it. I believe this video was informative. Well, if you believe the same, then share this video to someone which you think will help them. And if you like the video, leave your appreciation with a thumbs up and leave your valuable comments as to how you felt about the video. This is Nakul, Nakul, Nakul signing off from Skills PTE. Soon we'll be back. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.